Hello everybody, welcome back to another how to tutorial, and today I'm going to teach you how to use Clipchamp screen recording feature. So Clipchamp has a screen recording feature. You can do screen and camera, screen, or just audio, or you can also put text to speech. So Clipchamp is a Microsoft software. It's mostly used for really easy and intuitive editing, but you can also use it for screen recording. So right here, we can just click here on our screen. So we're just gonna turn it on right here. Then let's say entire screen. We're gonna share it, and now it's starting recording. So let's go and try and record some stuff. Let's go to Reddit or something. Then it's gonna record the content here that we're showing. So let's just do an example here. We're just gonna visit a website right here. We're just gonna view a bunch of posts right here. There we go. After that, we just go back here and we're gonna go stop the recording. And now it's starting recording. So let's go and try and record some stuff. Let's go to Reddit or something. Then there we go. As you can see there, I recorded this edit right here. We can, if you want to make it like a little bit better, we can cut the first part so it doesn't show that we're recording it using Clipchamp. So as you can see here, it's actually very nice quality compared to other recording software like Bandicam, if you guys know Bandicam. So and it's kind of on par with OBS, I guess, if you want just a simple recording tool that you're going to use, because right now I am recording this on OBS and I cannot straight edit this video, so I have to record it then put it in the software. But here, when you record the video, you can just like edit it. If you don't like using your own voice, you can also add a text to speech software right here. So let's say, hello guys, welcome back to another video. There we go. So we're gonna save this here, then we're gonna play it here.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video.
See, like it's really useful if you do that. We can just mute this and we're just gonna let the software do its thing.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video.
So this is really useful if you guys want to make tutorials and stuff, or if you want to make some content on how to do specific things. So let's say if you're like a gaming channel and you want to record like a specific gaming clip or like how to tutorial, this is very useful because you can just straight put it here and put the text to speech software and just like without using your own voice, so it's much easier. And yeah guys, that's how you use screen recording in Clipchamp. So my tip for you, if you want to make like really good content or like screen recording, this is a very fine software because of its ability to record really fast and for you to edit it at the same time. And it's actually, the export is pretty nice and it's actually free. So if you're just using it for basic stuff, this is really good for the value you are getting and the time you're gonna save by using this software. And yeah guys, that's my tutorial for today. If you guys like that, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and be sure to turn on the notifications. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.